To work on operators. That's simple as mathematical operators. 8 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2, 5 multiplied 2, 10 divided by 2, 14 percentage 4. It means it will give you a reminder value. 4 divided by 14, reminder will be 2. That's why it gives 2. 2 multiplied by double times star means 3. Will means that power to the power 3. That's why it gives you 8. And this will give you means board mass rule. It follow board mass. First 8 divided by 1 multiplied by 2, that's what give 16. Comparison operator, this statement is true, that's what give you true. False, false, true. Double equal sign means true statement. If both they compare both values, if that is true, then it will give you true. And this sign represent false statement. It will gives you true if statement is false. Let's look at here. This statement is false, that's why it will give you true. Logical operator, x power 0. And in this function, and function, both should condition should be true. If both condition x smaller than 1 and x smaller than 3, if both condition are true, that's why it will give you true. Otherwise, in same, in or condition, if both one of the condition should be true, that's why it will give true. Maximum, find maximum value, find minimum value. Apps will give you a positive value and a negative value. Okay, then sum, round function, it will give you round value of this value. And 3 represent the number of numbers after decimal. It will gives you digits after decimal. 4.21, it will give, if you give this 2, it will give you 4.92 just. And pw power, it will give you to the power 3. Okay, to the power 3, 8 value. Length gives you average value of both digits. It will give you average.